we decided to go with van number 4. That is the 1985 Toyota Hiace, and
she's a real beaut.
So now it's cranking, but not turning over.
Just give it a second. We'll figure it out.
It could still be a clogged fuel filter.
Yeah.
It's just like you gotta diagnose and figure out if the engine's getting no fuel or no spark. That's usually why it won't start, one of the two.
How did this go from such a great running vehicle to not even starting in like a day? Well, we didn't get very far.
I don't know if we're technically in the country or if we're in the city.
Okay, we're back outside. I'm gonna try to check the spark plugs. We'll see if we can figure it out. And of course, the engine is under the seat. They look okay.
Yeah. Those look like new spark plugs. What now?
Thank you for calling RAA Roadside Assistance. We're nearly there. We are nearly there.
Okay.
So after all that, RAA finally came out and they diagnosed the Hiace. It's not a big issue. We basically just need to get a new distributor cap and it should start again. So now we just have to figure out how to get to an auto shop to get a distributor cap. We got all geared up for the rain because it was absolutely pouring like 5 minutes ago, and we gotta go for a little bit of a walk.
We're gonna go pick up a new distributor cap for the van. Should only be $25, said the guy at the parts store. So we're gonna go get that, get it installed on the van, and see if we can get it started today.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Distributor cap for 85 Hiace. Rewiring. This is a good sign.
Yeah, you take all the things off, you put them on here.
That's 4. The rubber is kind of stuck together. Why do you not want to come apart? It's cracking though.
The distributor cap?
Yeah, it's like corroded. Look.
Oh shit. That's what it should look like. That's what it looks like. No wonder it wouldn't start.
Okay.
Back to Auto Pro?
Well, let's call them first
Yeah.
and find out if they have spark plug leads. I'm wondering if you would have any in stock for, it's a 1985 Hiace 3Y engine, 2 liter.
Toyota Hiace, what year? Sorry again, mate?
85.
85. And that comes with 4 leads. The boot looks like a boot end, and then maybe a clip as well.
Oh, but we need this one too.
Oh.
There's like this center lead.
The coil lead.
Yeah, the coil lead.
Or is there any way like I could text a photo of it to you to just confirm? Because we just came there to pick up the distributor cap, but we walked from Tanunda. So if we're coming back, we're gonna walk again.
Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'll give you a phone number to text it to. Okay. Give me a few minutes, mate. Let me see what I can find for you.
Okay, talk soon.
All right. Speak soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Round 2, let's go. And we're back.
So we got it. Hopefully this is the last part we need.
At least if we need more parts, hopefully the highest will now run.
Yeah, so we can drive back here. I think we're good. Should we try giving her a whirl?